I would like to show you how to fast in couple clicks just shift colors between themselves. So basically I have a task where I need to create the flags, and I just made the Paraguay t-shirt flag, and I wanna made from it Russian flag. Basically I need to duplicate the t-shirt I already created. So I'm selecting it, I'm copying it, and on the layer where I create the duplicate Paraguay, I just go into the properties. I'm clicking, I need to delete this emblem because Russia doesn't have any, it's only the 3 colors. Just a moment. Yep, so you see, because it's layers, I don't want to choose each color and after recolor it manually, so it would be way easier for me just click the recolor. And I don't want to make different color for the red or blue. I just go to the advanced option, and basically I just move this red to the blue section, and it's changed the positioning. So as you see, if it's switched from the red to the blue, if I need to do the same but with a white one, I just add in the new color here, and I shift in one like that. I need the white one be on the bottom, the red one will be, where's the rest? So yep, it's very easy and I just recolor it in the way I need it with a couple clicks. I hope it's useful for you. Thank you for watching.